Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me, Ihsan from SQ3R Surabaya. Okay, today I'm going to share you about the useful technique to understand a text or a book fastly. Okay, what is it? Do you know it? We can say it as SQ3R or SQ3R. Okay, for the first, S means survey. Key mean questions. 3R. The first R is read, and then the second is decide, and then the third is review. Okay. Then we're going to look at an example. Before we go into doing SQ3R, we have to make sure that we have a text or a book like this. Okay. For the first, we have to scan or survey. We have to look, pay attention to the title, subtitle, picture, chart, or anything, and then we have to skimming or scanning. Just look, let your eyes look the text. And then the second one, we have to questioning. We have to make a question, or we have to guess what is text tell about. And then the third is 3R, read. You have to read to understand what the text is about. And then decide, you have to explain what the text is about based on your opinion. And then review. Review means you have to recheck whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, let's hear the example like Pivot by Trail. You have to skim. The title is Pivot by Trail. And then there is a picture of bike, and then the subtitle is Northern Minnesota, and then Cannon Valley. So we have to guess, questioning, what this text is all about. Okay, we have to read. Southern Minnesota, location Alberti, distance 6 miles. Start your journey at Frank Hall Park, and then blah 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 blah. So, and then we have to decide. Oh, I can conclude that this text is tell about the Pivot Bike Trail. The first is in southern Minnesota, location in Alberti, and then the second one is in Cannon Valley. Okay, for the review, we can recheck with the text. We can write our answer based on our opinion and then recheck with the text actually. For the book, we can do the same technique to know what this book tell about. We have to scan. This title is Minnesota, and then we have to look the cover. It's about the picture of a bike or someone has a sport cycling. Yeah. And then we have to scan the page, the title, and then subtitle, the picture, and then you have to questioning what this book tell about. Okay, and then the 3R, we have to read. We want to know what Pivot like Trail. So we have to read Southern Minnesota, Cannon Valley, go to Hospital Square, and then what this is tell about? This is tell about the location, the map of the Pivot Bike Trail. Then you have to decide. Oh, no, I know this book is tell about what? This book is tell about the sport cycling in Minnesota, like the trail, location, and then the bike, and then how to do it, and then the map. So, and then we have to review. We have to conclude what this text or book tell about. We can write it down and then compare it with the book, the real book one. Okay guys, that's what we can do right now. We have learned the SQ3R, and I hope you understand it. And bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.